Okay. 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 No. Don't.
Gusto niya siya magugupit sa kanya.
Don't touch that one. No. Kuya Matt, yung anak ni Sining, just look on it.
Alin?
Something na bago sa kanya.
No. Wait lang ngayon, dati to get something. Wait, look. Oh, yan.
Akala ko kukuha yung kanyang ano.
Ay,
Ugok.
Yeah.
Baby, don't.
Don't step. You see? Wait now. Okay.
Hindi kaya mas Cats for tots.
Ay, mama. Tingnan mo, hindi man lang wala itong isa.
Oo, hindi nga.
Si Matt nakatulog pa lang yata nakaraan eh.
Ngaw na.
Gaw na. Eh. Ito, tingnan mo, mama, oh.
Very good yan eh.
Nakikiliti lang siya. Di ba mahal yung box? Pwede rin naman ganyan eh.
No, I told you. You are not listening to Lulu. Stay here and look. Don't step because it will scatter.
Guwapo naman ng barbero. Sarap halikan. Pakis nga.
Ay, okay na.
Look at baby, oh. Look.
Hindi mo nasabi na.
What is happening to Miggy? I'm taking a video. What is happening to Miggy? Miggy is doing what?
A video.
Hindi mo lang na.
Tata is doing what?
Ito na, di ba ito nagkatakot-takot na seremonya pa yan? Ito na, oh.
Wow, Pogi! Good job, Miggy!
Good job.
Very good!
You're in the Super Bowl.
Oh, very good, Miggy!
Yes, you're in the Super Bowl.
Uukain na naman ni Tata yan para si Matt, no? Kuya!
Practice.
Ano? Okay. Okay?
Nagka-clap siya, Daddy.
Oh, what's that? Here. Ha? Okay lang, Lola. No. Okay lang, Lola.
Hold, Mommy. Let Mommy.
My baby.
Wow, ang ganda na. Wala nang sasagaban sa mukha niya.
Tapos saka ako i-clipper na lang. Kung naputo.
Okay lang. Tino mo.
Eh, ba't yung isa na clipper mo, yung isa hindi?
Eh, mahaba.
Nakakatakot eh. Oo, gumagal. Daddy, hawakan mo nga. Baka
Hindi, okay lang kasi pag ginawa ko mo
Oo, lalong yan, pumibiglas. Lala, okay lang. Nangatin
Oh, one more.
Minga.
Daddy, painin mo sa kanya.
Drink mo na water. Hold. Wow. Hold.
Yan, hold.
Okay, drink water. Plenty. More. Okay. Good job, Miggy. Drink water. Drink water, baby. Wait lang. Wait for tatay. Okay.
Mata, hindi mo maano to sa mata.
Hmm?
Ay, kasama naman sa clipper yung hair pag sa bangs.
Okay, Lolo.
Okay, Lolo.
Okay, Miggy.
Okay, Mickey.
Okay, Matma. Hindi na. Drink water, baby. Drink water.
Ready na from the straw.
Okay.
Oh, good job talaga si Miggy. Like Kuya Matt. Oh, you know what, baby? When you were like Miggy, when you were small
Okay.
and did your
More
first
water.
haircut.
More water.
Kami will tell the story.
More water. Drink water.
Drink water na.
Drink water.
Oh, clap your
Yeah.
hands.
Clap your hands, baby.
You were afraid of that clipper when you were still small. You were afraid and then you cried when tatay did haircut.
And then,
Yeah, like that.
Tanggal yung bangs niya. Yung mga nasapin-sapin dyan. Okay. Wala na yung magulo. Okay lang, Miggy. Okay, Lula, steady lang talaga siya. Hindi kagaya ni Kuya yun.
Clean cut talaga siya, oh. Parang army lang, ano, bebe?
Si Kuya, naalala ko na ng inanon ni Marlon.
Ang gwapo-gwapo talaga ng barbero mo, nai-inlove tuloy ako.
Isa.
Yung gwapo-gwapo ng barbero mo, haba-haba ng hair.
Okay.
Oh, what's that? Nakakurious siya dahil tumutunog.
Yay!
You
Clap
want,
your
you
hand.
want to hold it, baby?
Drink water, drink water, Bete. Drink water, drink water. Ayan.
Clap your hand.
Drink water.
Yeah,
Mama, susunod ka.
very good. Lang siya, Lola.
Yun lang pala, katapat mo na yung tubig din pala. Sige, nyam-gabi mo yung tubig. Sige. Hindi nyam-gam. Habang minugupitan ka ni tatay, sige. Okay.
Oh, may nahingi ng milk doon.
Yung siya